it would brew 12 cups of coffee in like 10 minutes. So it was very slow, and I'm like almost threw it in the trash. And I got to thinking, you know what? I've never really cleaned this thing out. So the unit actually came with a deliming spring, and I lost it, so I had to buy another one on Amazon. I tried to use the vinegar and water. That didn't work. It didn't improve it whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is show you today how to clean out the orifice and get that water flowing again, so hopefully save you some money from buying a new coffee maker. I'll be right back. So the first thing you have to do is remove the spray head, which unscrews. It's kind of difficult because it's plastic and it's really smooth, so I'm going to get that removed. Okay, so here's a better shot of what that spray head looks like. I got it loosened. I'm going to go ahead and remove it now. Okay, the spray head is removed, and this is the orifice where the spring goes up through, and you just run it back and forth inside like this. And if it's hard to move in and out, it means you have quite a bit of lime scale buildup. I have a scale buster, but we still get lime and whatnot, so that's just how it is. And that's really all you do. You just run the spring in and out all the way. Shove the spring in until it hits the hot water compartment, and just ream it out, and you'll be good to go. You won't have to buy a new coffee maker. Anyway, I hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.